Okay, welcome again to my channel. And my topic today is how to add an animated object or an animation while using the keyboard. So, is it possible that while like controlling characters on the screen or moving an object on the screen, is it possible to call an animation and they would play simultaneously independently? So because in C sharp, if you're using console read key, the succeeding codes will not be executed until you press a key. So just like this one example, I have console read key. Then I also have here console that right line. I need to write something. So if you play this one, you need to press something, and that's it. And then the succeeding codes will be executed. So I have here the program, the spaceship. I have two methods here. The right spaceship, where I'm displaying a spaceship on the screen, positioning it using the set cursor position, as you have learned in my previous tutorial. So I am using the X and Y. I'm like initiating it here and then control the position of it inside the loop. And this is the game loop. So while I'm not pressing the escape key, it would not escape or it would not end the program. For example, I have to call here the stars. If you play this program, as you can see, my spaceship's not moving right. If I move this once, it would show you the stars, the random stars in different colors, but it would not move the spaceship anymore because the stars has its own loop. You need to wait for it, but it's an infinite loop. So what we can do is to play them separately, to call the stars separately, so that it would not affect my spaceship to move. So what we have to use now is the thread. Create a new thread here. Then call here the stars. Okay, I call the stars, and then I could also move the spaceship simultaneously. I can remove these stars. Call, and let us play the program. So it's not playing, right? Because we need to start the thread. Okay, before the loop or start of the game, we need to call first star. As you can see, the star is now showing in different colors, and at the same time, you can move your spaceship. As you can see, it's this is the solution for that. You can add also enemies, a separate thread for them. So as for this tutorial, I am not teaching you how to add enemies here. I'm just teaching you how to handle a separate thread, separate animation playing simultaneously with others object. Oh, with other objects, sorry. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and I hope you already watch my previous tutorials on about animation. You can just visit my channel, and my channel has a lot of videos, different videos, music, programming, food, and it's up to you if you can watch my music videos. But as for now, you can just learning from me about programming. And thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I can also subscribe yours in return. Thank you. Bye.